Uncover the allure of BMW, where luxury meets performance. Home to the iconic kidney grille, every BMW is a masterpiece in design, a testament to the brand's century-long commitment to excellence. Under the hood, BMW houses engines that roar with power, delivering a driving experience that's both thrilling and smooth. The interiors, a symphony of elegance and comfort, boast cutting-edge technology, from the intuitive iDrive system to the immersive Harman Kardon surround sound. BMW's commitment to safety is unmatched, with features like Active Guard and Driving Assistant ensuring peace of mind on every journey. And with the efficient dynamics philosophy, BMW strikes a perfect balance between performance and efficiency. Experience the ultimate driving machine. BMW, sheer driving pleasure. Craving more? Subscribe and share alike for more videos. Dive deep into the world of automobiles with us. Remember, the journey is as beautiful as the destination.